Hey y'all, so like the title says today, I'll be doing this look for you. Just know it took me 3 hours to get this done. Okay, so this is a look, it's definitely time consuming. So if you want to do something like this, keep that in mind. Also, if you're going to a party or something where you think you're going to be drinking, I would rethink this part, the mouth part, because these will probably fall out. All this on with lash glue. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial. Alright y'all, let me get this on my nose. Yeah, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Happy Halloween. I hope you're getting into the vibes. This is my favorite time of year. Well, Christmas is actually my favorite time of year, but I like this time of year because then I know Christmas is coming. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.